Well, we're here with Nigel and Cody this morning, and we're still trying to get this window tint off. And we saw a YouTube video about... morning, Nigel.
Morning.
Morning, Cody. We saw a YouTube video about spraying the back window with a cleaner, so we're using spray and wipe, and then putting a garbage bag on the inside, cut to size, parking it in the sun, letting it work its magic, and then it should all just peel off. So it may or may not work, but we're going to give it a try. What do you reckon, Cody? Is it going to work?
I hope so.
Yeah, so do I.
It smells nice.
It's going to be a pain in the bum if it doesn't.
Oh yeah.
Alright, which way did we have our...
Like this. Okay. You want to lengthen it like this first and get the bottom done?
Yep.
Okay, I got the bottom.
Beautiful.
Here's our...
Our warning. Oh, our scraper.
Yeah.
At least we know it won't scratch anything. Alright, so we get that all suctioned up there and make sure it's all tucked into the edges. And then we're going to park it in the sun and we'll see what happens. The moment of truth. Will the YouTube remedy work? Let's have a look. But you got to leave the you got to leave the bag on when you do it, I think. Anyway, here we go.
It's all peeling off. Just got to get enough of it.
Don't use a scraper.
No, just peel it. Or do we go again?
I'd say just take this layer off first.
Take this layer off and go the next layer?
Yeah. Because if we at least get one layer off.
The next layer might just peel off anyway.
Yeah.
Well, look at that. It's certainly coming off a lot easier. Oh, wow. Check that out. That's unreal. Well, I'll be. No way. Well, thank you to who showed us this on YouTube. Steve showed us a link for this. Thank you, Steve. And we can smell that lovely tint glue. Yum. But it looks like there's only a little bit left on there, which might just peel off anyway. And it means that it's looked after our demister. So that's a bit brittle, so we might actually give that one another hit.
Chuck it on and go again.
Yeah, I reckon. Nigel's coming back for another go. You might get it off. Alright, so we're going to spray it down again. Hopefully we've got enough spray and wipe there, otherwise we're going to a window cleaner. And we're going to go again. So there's the tip. If anybody needs to get their tint off, this works a treat. Alright, reapply the plastic. Alright, we're going for the final tape here, hoping that this gets the rest of the tint off.
It's a lot easier than...
Yeah, than the other day trying to scrape it and not get the demister. So if you try and pull the plastic with it, I think the plan is.
Start seeing if I get it for this side, Nigel.
Yeah.
So we nearly got all of it off using the method with the bag. Just a few little hard bits left to go. So I'm just hitting them with the Windex. And actually, it's coming off pretty easy. The Windex seems to be melting the glue. So overall, it's made our life a heck of a lot easier. So I'm going to call this one a win. So next time you've got to get tint off, I reckon this is the way to go. So there we go. Nigel's just cleaning up the last of it now. It came off pretty easy, really.
Thanks, YouTube.
Yes, thank you, YouTube. Thank you, Steve, for sending us a YouTube link. But look at that, it's nice and clear and no bubbles. The car is looking tidier all the time.
Yeah.
So it's been a good day.